Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Body Fortress Super Advanced Whey Protein Powder Gluten-Free Vanilla 5 pounds. It suits my needs. Its chocolate mixes well and milk or water doesn't upset my tummy, and there's no carb coma for me. It seems to have a little more protein per scoop, although the scoop may be slightly larger than others, not sure. If you add a little powdered peanut butter mix with milk or almond milk instead of water, or blend in fruit such as banana, it has appreciably thicker milk, foams well, and a blender milk substitute slightly less so. My wife surprisingly does not mind the taste of this protein whey, as she is a chocoholic and would resent any type of chocolate that doesn't taste like chocolate. Since the scoop size is close but not a match between BF and UB, a calculator is needed to make an equivalency, but some ingredient differences are notable, like that BF has 3 times the fat per scoop and almost twice as much sodium and over twice as much cholesterol. Not big fan of chocolate shakes, but this one is pretty good, not overwhelming with the amount of sugar. Overall it's good. For instance, with this product you add a 49 grams 1 scoop to a beverage to get 30 grams of protein per drink. Actually pretty dang tasty once you mix it up. The price seems steep at first, but at £5 you ain't finding a better deal anyways. This stuff is pretty much perfect for anyone from the elderly that needs meal replacement to vegetarians trying to ensure enough protein is consumed to someone trying to simply control calories, carbs, protein. 5 seconds of hand mix time has been more than adequate to get it all and not leave any appreciable left over. It's not too sweet, nor does it taste too protein powder-like, but it's not a chocolate milkshake either in the decadent sense. Doesn't mix as well as the more expensive stuff or taste quite as good, but for the money it is good. This is a large container, so the fact that it is square, unlike the majority of containers which are round, allows the container to be neatly stored without wasting space. It advertises 60 grams of protein, but it doesn't mention that you need 2 scoops to get that amount of protein per serving. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.